Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Opel Kadett L station wagon. And this one didn't have much as far as the seller statement at the auction, but it was definitely a nice car. It sold for $19,875 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a good looker. It definitely looks like it was restored. And apparently it won quite a few awards at the Opel Club and some other shows that it was entered into. It was won the best of show and first in class at the Opel Motorsports Club. And the Opel Nationals, it was People's Choice. And just doing some research on the internet, I noticed what looked to be about the same car, probably. If it is, then it had 84,000 miles with the 1.1 liter inline four-cylinder with a four-speed manual transmission. And I believe this is probably the same car. Still had its black California license plate on it. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1968 Opel Kadett L station wagon that was restored and was an award winner. And it sold for $19,875 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.